100 children to do. I'm so glad you to join me one more again for this your Gullah Geechee Nation going on news. This year the Queen Queen, head from the body of this your Gullah Geechee Nation. I'm so glad you children join me because this year day, me dear upon my own home island, St. Island, South Kakalaki, you're in the Gullah Geechee Nation. I'm so glad for day because this year they're the Woodlands Club land. Plenty of 100 children and yet about them because they've been in the news with head turning and things like that. Been a half a fight to children for land, make sure high land and all that thing. But look here, the Gullah Geechee children still got a land. All these over 300 acres worth of land were bought in 1921 by some Gullah Geechee family come together right here on this island and work together, hold together so it could have had this land and things like that. So for 4 years, this year festival, we call the River Fest, been going on right up on St. Island. And so just like 100 children, see we here, this year land called Lanzine Beach. So this year part of Lanzine Beach, the Woodland Club Beach. So this year we're plenty of big old things been going on, and the club had building a thing for meat and things like that, and the children study about how to hold these things together. So I'm so glad say 100 children that join we at this year celebration and kick off right here on this year Woodlands Club for this year 4th annual Woodland River Fest on St. Island. Children, look for this year, cause this year the work going on.
People are dying without even being made free. Oh, ain't it a shame? No, voices crying, young people dying, lost nowhere to run. No. So I'm asking, take, sacrificing, time for us to come and hold up the line after life. I got it. Take the word from God and man.
Y'all ready to help me? Y'all ready to help me?
That's good. So, Cap?
I ain't did none since I was a teenager.
When your birthday, Cap?
April 4th.
Oh, April 4th. So how old was you then?
85.
85. All right. So you done put in how much a years with net now?
I can do, yeah. I
Connie?
Yeah, ever since I was 13 and I'm 16.
Okay, he been doing the net. That's all right.
If you love Jesus and you know it, and you're not afraid to show it. If you love Jesus and you know it, stand on your feet. If you got your own hair, shout yeah. If you got your own hair, shout yeah. If you got your own hair, and you're not ashamed of that. If you got your own hair, shout yeah. Now you ought to show some love. The person you're standing next to, give him a hug. And tell him I love you. Hey, love me, come on, let me hug you.